Vercel FREE Hosting. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open your browser and type 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀. Sign up on GitHub using your Google account. After signing in, click the New button and carefully create a repository with the name company. Once you have entered the necessary information, click Create Repository to confirm everything. Next, click Upload an existing file, and then choose your important project files. After the files are uploaded, click Commit Changes to save them properly. Then, open your browser and type vercel.com. Sign up on Vercel using your GitHub account to continue. Once you are inside the Vercel dashboard, click Add New and then select Project from the available options. From there, import the repository name company that you created earlier. After the repository is connected, click Deploy and patiently wait until the deployment process is complete. When the deployment finishes, click Go to Dashboard to access the project settings. In the dashboard, click Domains to check whether the hosting is running. At this point, the company profile project will be live and accessible online at no cost.